Hey everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a week. I just put up a video that I already had done, which Xander actually filmed of the car riding around, just see if people hadn't seen that segment in the other video, that they could just see it raw. So today's a big day. We're getting ready for the Rock and Roll car show, which apparently is back on. And we have to get there tomorrow morning at about 5:30, so we have the day to get everything ready in the car. So my buddy Trevor from Seattle is here, and he's helping me. And then one of the other things is we'll go take a look over here where we have, oh, looks like a squirrel. See you, buddy. No, actually what we have here is Willie B's rig, truck and trailer that he's so graciously loaned us. Again, we can't thank him enough for not only having us at the show, but helping us get the car there, since I don't have a rig to do that. So we're really appreciative. Thanks again, Willie. You're like an angel. You're the best person I've ever met. All he does is give, give, and give. So anyway, he has a foundation called Willie B Foundation, so if you guys can contribute to that, please do. Well, there we are, folks. There's Trevor working on getting some of the straps in for the car. So say hi, Trevor. Hi, Trevor. There he is. All right, so we'll get some sleep tonight. We'll probably go sit in the pool with a couple of beers and get cooled down. Should be a little bit better tomorrow, but we'll see. So we'll see you at the show. Well, everybody, we're here. There's the car. Trevor shining it up, such as it is. Then we have Willie over there chatting on the phone, our host. So there he is. Brought his beautiful Skyline. Really nice car. Well, there she is. All getting ready. We're at the KBPI booth. So hopefully there are going to be some more cars with us, but we'll see. Well, she's looking pretty nice. And here we are, Vandermeer. There's the quarter mile. People are starting to assemble. There's Trevor. So we have a pretty good turnout here. It's getting a little warm out now. We've had probably about 10, maybe 12 kids in the car taking pictures. So we're having a good time. We've had some kids that are just absolutely falling in love with it. And they learned a lot with how we built the car and stuff, so it's having the effect that we wanted it to. Well, it's pretty loud here, but we got a pretty good crowd. It's about 1:30 here at Vandermeer, so getting a lot of interest in the car. So we're having a really good time. Again, like before we said, we had lots of kids in the car. So hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the noise, but my buddy Trevor's mowing my lawn, so I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. He just likes driving stuff. So anyway, we'll talk to him in a little bit. But I just wanted to talk about some things that happened at the show, and basically show you some cool things and people that we met there. So let's take a look at that. So the first story that I want to talk to you about is one where Willie B is helping out a family who has a Chevelle, and the man just gives and gives and gives, and I can't say enough about Willie. He's a fantastic human being, one of the best I've ever met. So he's helping out Larry Graham and his son Scott, and I got to meet them at the show. I can't think of anybody more deserving than Larry and his son Scott. We got to see the car and the paint and everything, and it was just truly awesome. And here's a picture of a selfie with myself and Larry, and one of the builders of the Chevelle. Anyway, we also had probably maybe 100 kids in the car, so we got that effect of being able to get kids interested and show them our STEAM STEM project. So that was fantastic as well. And a huge shout out to Willie B for loaning us the trailer to be able to get it there, and KBPI and Willie B in general for having us at the show and having us in their booth area. So big shout out. Thanks, guys. I will put a link to the story with Larry and Scott, so you can check that out, see how Willie's helping them out, and check out the build. It's really awesome. So they got to fire up the motor while we were there, which is pretty cool. I think it's an LS3 crate motor, which is just really, really going to be great for that car. And then last but not least, my buddy Trevor. There's Trevor. Trevor has been an enormous help. I couldn't have done it without him. He is now mowing my lawn because he's such a super duper guy. So say hi, Trevor.
Hey, everybody.
So yeah, Trevor was with me at the show, helped me load it up, helped me get the truck, is going to help me drop the truck off, and then he's going to go back to Seattle. So what'd you think of the show, Trevor?
It was great.
Yeah, did you have a good time?
Good time. A lot of good cars, a lot of good people. A lot of people stopping by to check out the rig here.
Yeah. Now, for those that you don't know, Trevor is one of the builders of the vehicle, so he's helped me the most of any other person on this project. He comes over from time to time to visit with the family. He's basically their uncle because he's my brother from another mother. And way back when, over 40 years now. So big thank you to Trevor for all that he's done. And you have anything to say to our fans?
Hey, all the viewers, all your feedback and stuff has been great. He's been feeding off of that. Keep throwing that stuff in there. You guys are awesome. Want to see more people out there at the shows. It'd be great. A lot of people stop by to view this thing, and we're very impressed. Some people were a little thrown back a little bit, realizing what the real story was once they found out what it was.
They thought it was a beat up Aventador, right? Well, fair enough.
But hey, you guys are awesome. Keep it up, and we'll keep it up.
That's awesome. Well, hey, it means a lot to me to be able to share this with my buddy from so far back, and we've been friends for, it seems, forever. So it's just totally awesome to be able to share this with Trevor. So thanks again, Trevor, for all your help.
Here, I love tinkering and putting my time in, earning some seat time.
Yeah, there you go. That's right. All right. Well, thanks, Trevor. Back to mowing. Have fun. Somehow that's his treat for helping me so much. Well, I don't get it, but he does what he does. Anyway, again, big shout out to KBPI, Willie, all the people we met, all the people that came out to the car show, all of the great comments. I mean, I understand when you come up to it and you say, wow, what happened to your car? So We'll get it there. We'll get it from a 50-footer to a 1-footer, so just stay tuned. Anyway, all the links to everything I've been talking about will go into the description. Keep watching. Remember, we have the Denver Auto Show next month, 15th through the 19th. So if you can, and you're in the neighborhood, come see us. All right. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.